If you want to learn Wix and start building stunning websites, here's exactly where to begin. First, head to the Wix YouTube official channel. That's your best free source. They post official tutorials covering everything from drag and drop basics to advanced SEO animations and e-commerce setup. Next, check Create a Pro website on YouTube. They have easy beginner-friendly walkthroughs showing how to build full websites step by step using Wix. If you prefer structured lessons, try Wix Learn. It's an official learning platform by Wix itself, offering free video courses on web design, branding, and site management. For deeper learning, Udemy has a detailed Wix course. Just search Wix website design for beginners and you'll find affordable lessons that may take you from zero to a pro. Finally, join Facebook groups and Reddit communities like Wix Designer. You'll find real users sharing templates, feedback, and live support. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.